So what's up guys, welcome back, great to have you here, and today I am going to share amazing news with you, and this amazing news is that FAFAI coin will be listed soon on LBank and the date has been disclosed and the date is 15th of April 2026 at 2 p.m. So FAFAI is going to be listed on LBank. This is an amazing news which I want to share with you. Here you can see that LBank has officially confirmed about the listing, so these links have been given in the video description. You can check out. Now let's talk about today's topics. So viewers, today's video is about something more than just a mobile game. We are looking at a project that connects simple farming gameplay with a structured digital ecosystem, including battle system and exchange interaction. Before we move forward, here is an important note for all my viewers. This video is for informational and educational purpose only, not a financial investment advice. Do your own research before making any investment decision. If you like content that explains things in a simple and easy way, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Crypto Variety so you don't miss future videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new update is uploaded. Let's talk about today's topic. A new digital asset is entering the ecosystem. FAFAI coin is connected to the mobile game Today's Farm and work as a core element of its system. The Today's Farm game is already available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, making it accessible for users worldwide. You can download it from Google Play Store. You can also download it from the Apple Store. Links have been given in the video description. So let's talk about the game. Viewers, inside the game, players manage a simple farm. Raise chickens, feed them daily, maintain the farm, collect eggs over time, use items to improve performance. The gameplay is designed to be easy, casual, and suitable for all types of users. So here you can check out different characters, different steps in the game, the silver eggs, the boiled eggs. And you can also check out the production speed with items, legend, Coco, and different game characters like cat. There you can also check out mom, you can also check out robot. So viewers, eggs are the starting point of the entire system. Eggs are produced through gameplay, farm setup, and items that have production speed. Upgrades can improve efficiency. This creates some basic structured production system. And you can also check out that eggs are converted into FP farm points. FP act as the main in-game currency. FP is used to purchase items and upgrades. This step is connecting to gameplay activity with the internal system progress. FP plays a central role in the ecosystem, earned from eggs and minigames. Use in the game shop helps improve farm performance, act as a bridge between gameplay and the wider system. So the game connects to a valid system where you can check out that FAFAI coin act as the main ecosystem asset. FP is linked between the game and the valid users can interact between FP and FAFAI. Token of the Polygon is used for the transaction support. This creates a smooth connection between gameplay and digital infrastructure. The ecosystem follows a simple flow. Adds to FP FAFAI coin to LBank exchange. X is gameplay progress and FP and the game utility. FAFAI for the ecosystem asset and LBank is the external market. This form a connected digital circle. So viewers, at the final stage, FAFAI can be transferred to LBank. It can be traded with USDT. This provides external market access. This step connects the game system with a broader digital environment. The game also includes mini-games for additional FP, item-based production boosts, chicken upgrades, farm extension features. This keeps the gameplay interactive and engaging. You can also check out different features like leadership and expertise, cryptocurrency payment innovation. You can also check out that payment system provides new options, and you can also check out FAFAI's impact, financial inclusion, and accessibility. Here you can also check out that FAFAI delivers information and value. And you can also check out that it provides and support global business individuals. Game users naturally enter the cryptocurrency, and FAFAI ensures no one is left behind by providing secure connection. So these are the amazing features for which you must consider this platform. Now let's talk about the referral system. The game includes a referral system. You can invite your friends, and using your referral link, you can receive activity-based benefits around 10% referral-based reward structure. This supports community growth and user engagement. And you can also check out the game availability. The game is available on Google Play Store. It's also available on Apple Store. Users can easily download and start playing from official platforms. You can also check out the white paper of the game according to project documentation for FAFAI and today's farm. A connected ecosystem that includes gaming experience, digital asset system, blockchain-based utility, connected flow between game, wallet, and exchange. The goal is to combine entertainment with a structured digital system. The project maintains active communication channels where users can follow and subscribe their official social media communities. You can subscribe their YouTube channel. For video content, you can also follow them on Twitter. And you can also try new features. You can join community discussions. You can stay informed about LBank. You can join the Telegram community. This platform acts as the main hub for the ecosystem updates. Today's farm and the FAFAI ecosystem create a connected structure where gameplay, wallet system, and exchange interaction work together in one cycle. From simple farming actions to a broader digital system, each step is linked in a clear and organized way. That's everything for today's breakdown. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more simple and clear project explanation. Thanks for watching. See you again. Goodbye.